Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a few things that I purchased from Tuesday Morning, Hobby Lobby, and Michaels. And so we're going to start off with Tuesday morning. I had seen that they were having these Spectrum Noir color pencils, and this is one of my favorite color pencils. Um, Good quality, at least I feel, and they blend well too. I have another set, and I forgot what kind it was, but anyways, this is Naturals, and then this one is Shade and Tone. And you might see a little wetness from me coloring it, but I mean cleaning it. But I went ahead and picked up both of those. Those were $11.99. Normal price was $34.95. And yeah, so really happy to get those. Then I also went to Michael's and I picked up a few things from Michael's. My main reason for going out there were for the acetate sheets. And anyways, I found another box of these. We went to a different Michael's in Elkhart, Indiana. So picked up that, $5. So now I have 3 of these, so I should be set. I also found some Distress ink there. We worn lipstick for, I want to say it was $3. And then we drove to Michigan City. Thank goodness for my husband. He doesn't mind driving me around. Anyway, so we drove to Michigan City, and I picked up this from the Michael's, not in Michigan City, in Valparaiso, Indiana. And I picked up this, and this was the Recollections Blush. Got to get 100 sheets, 4.5 by 6.5, and that was $3. And then I also picked up this red one, and it's 6 by 6, and it was $3 as well. But my main reason for going there, like I said, was to pick up, oops, sorry about that glare, these 12 by 12 clear acetate sheets. Can't talk today. Anyways, clear acetate sheets, and I got 4 packs of them. So I am set, probably for the rest of my crafting time. So, because I make some shaker cards, not enough to justify buying 4 of these, but I don't have to purchase anymore. Or really even save plastic from containers, although I probably still will. And then the next thing, I went to Hobby Lobby, and I was trying to get in some of the 40% off coupons, and I ended up picking up Fiskars trimmer blades. I always need these, so I wanted the 40% off on that one. I got actually 2 boxes of these because I went another day, so I wanted to store all of those daubers that I've been getting, so I picked up those. I also picked up some cutting plates because I'm gonna need some cutting plates. Let's just face it. I was trying to get things that I needed. And then I also, on the clearance, I only seen one seedless preserve, so I picked up that. I'm telling you, ours is wiped out here in South Bend, just wiped out. So I had to go elsewhere. And then I also picked up these dies. I have this one here. I thought that was really cute. I didn't get many. There were still, quite a few dies, but I figured I didn't need as many dies this time because I'm telling you, I'm getting abundance of that stuff. I don't really even have a good Christmas tree, so I picked up this, and this has 3 of these, and then also this one here. So I thought that was a really good buy for $3.24. And then I don't have a bail, so I went ahead and picked up this here, and as well as this one. I've seen so many people hauling this one, and it was not in South Bend, so I forgot where I got it from. I want to say Michigan City is where I picked up this one. And then I also picked up this Christmas tree as well because this one had a lot of little things going around, so I thought I could have a strand of lights there. Has some ornaments, but so does that other pack that I have of the dies there. But I wasn't for sure if I wanted to do Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo because we just got out of Christmas and this is mostly Christmas stuff. But hey, just let me know if you want to do the Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo, and we'll get it started. But that is all I have. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.